Most businesses are losing leads, missing follow-ups, and repeating the same manual tasks every single day. And the crazy part, there is already a solution. It's called AI. And no, you don't need to be technical to use it. I know what it's like to look at AI tools and just feel overwhelmed. Everyone's talking about it, but nobody is actually showing you what to do with it. You don't need another future of AI video. You need someone to just show you step by step how to use it in your actual business. I'm Saurabh, an AI educator and automation consultant. I spend my days building AI systems for real businesses, lead gen bots, AI voice agents, automated follow-up pipelines, systems that work while you're asleep. And on this channel, I break all of that down simply, clearly, and for free. Here is what you will find on this channel. Step-by-step walkthrough of AI tools you can use this week. Real automation builds behind the scenes, nothing hidden. Case studies from actual client work and honest takes on what's worth your time and what's just noise. No jargon, no theory, just practical AI that actually works. If you're a business owner or a freelancer or just someone who wants to actually understand AI, not just hear about it, hit subscribe. And if you have a question about where AI fits in your business, drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. Let's figure this out together.